Not just migrant workers, Indian farmers are also struggling during coronavirus lockdown. A farmer feeds iceberg lettuce to his buffalo because he is not able to transport his produce and sell it in markets amid the 3-week lockdown. Tourists and ice cream producers are the main buyers of strawberries, but there are no tourists in. A young farmer from Ingalakup of Pandavapura in Mandya district dumped several crates of his tom. A severe shortage of labor, triggered by India's 21-day lockdown to curb the spread of the new coro. A farmer carries harvested cauliflower for sale through a field in Kolkata. India has stockpiles of wheat, rice and sugar for its own population and has not been exporting wheat, so international grains markets are unlikely to be affected by the labor issues, for now. Notably, in a relief to farmers during the lockdown, the central government has granted relaxation to agriculture, farming and allied activities to ensure uninterrupted harvesting of crops. With borders shut and markets closed, farmers across the country are looking at some tough days ahead due to lack of transport and labor support. In the past few days, there have been several instances from across the country where farmers were In Uttar Pradesh, farmers don't have farm machines and laborers to harvest the ripe crops of sugarcane and wheat, and even if they somehow manage to do it, they don't have a place to store it. Munishamappa, a farmer near India's IT hub of Bengaluru, dumped 15 tons of grapes in a nearby forest after failing to sell them. He had spent 5 rupees on his crop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.